I wanna show you how to create holographic objects effect in Premiere Pro. Let's go! First of all, you need to go to the effects and write Lumetri Color. Add your Lumetri Color effect to your object. Go to the effects control and expand the color wheels. On each wheel you will see the plus, just drag it down. Now come back to the effects control and go to the opacity. Change the value to 40%. Then come back to the effects and write wave warp. Add the wave warp effect to your object. Go over to the effects control and under wave warp expand the wave type and select smooth noise. Then modify the wave height and wave width to 10. Everything is ready, let's see the result. Help to grow this channel, put your like and subscribe.